So how do you strap your quad? You use big ass ratchet straps like these, little ones like these. Let me show you something that's a little bit better than these. They're less messy, quicker to strap. The retractable ratchet straps. Yeah. Pull it out, hook it where you want it, hook it to this side, tighten up the slack, and then ratchet it down. Easy cleanup. Hit that button to loosen it up, pull it off, pull it off. Watch out, because these things go pretty fast. Bam, easy cleanup. If you want a set of these, I'll leave a link down here for you guys.